Do you need towering, stylized mountains to elevate your environments? Whether you're crafting fantasy scenes or showcasing colossal mechs, this pack brings cinematic beauty to your scene. Hey everyone, Luke here from 3D Tutor. Today, I'm excited to unveil the Stylized Mountain Asset Pack, a dramatic, handcrafted collection of 20 unique mountain meshes, each available in 3 texture variations: grassy, rocky, and snowy. That's a total of 60 game-ready mountains designed to seamlessly sit in the background of your 3D environments, while maintaining the visual punch. These aren't just filler assets, they're stylized to carry atmosphere, depth, and a bold artistic presence. Whether you're building sweeping open worlds, setting dramatic backgrounds for animation, or staging massive robot battles, these mountains do the heavy lifting. So, within the standard version, it will include a full Blender project with organized assets and an asset browser setup. We will also include a complete Unreal Engine 5 project with lighting and materials already attached in place for quick integration. The GLB files will also be included for a web and mobile workflows. And finally, we also include FBX plus the high-resolution PNG textures at a 2048 resolution. All models cleanly optimized and textured using PBR workflows to suit both real-time engines and cinematic rendering. And if you want more power, we also include a deluxe version, which includes everything above plus a fully tuned Blender lighting setup, as well as a 3D Tutor compositor named BlendCraft, our powerful tool that simplifies post-processing inside Blender, with a beautiful color grading, bloom, glare, and stylized visual effects in seconds. It's the easiest way to get a professional-looking renders out of the box. This pack was created by Rosefield, a talented artist behind our Cyberpunk modular pack. With this new release, Rosefield shifts gears from neon-lit alleys to nature grandeur, delivering stylized mountainous backdrops perfect for fantasy and sci-fi alike. The Stylized Mountain Pack is part of our Starving Artist campaign, a 3D Tutor initiative that gives independent artists a platform to share their work and giving artists 50% of the revenue in their pockets. We handle everything from marketing to distribution, so artists like Rosefield can keep creating without any extra concern. Our last campaign spotlighted a Japanese lantern pack by Rowan from Bearworks 3D, and we are thrilled to continue showcasing top-tier indie talent with this new release. And hey, if you end up using these assets in your project, we really want to see what you're building. Join our 3D Tutor Discord, now home to nearly 1,000 artists and developers. It's a vibrant space for feedback, work in progress, projects, and just a general community growth. We run giveaways, share Blender tips, and support each other's creative journeys. Rosefield, Rowan, and our whole creator squad are in the server, so come hang out. Thanks so much for supporting Rosefield and the Starving Artist campaign. Until next time, happy modeling everyone!